For the new version of VGSTUDIO Max, we have made significant improvements to our advanced surface determination with a focus on ease of use. Now you have full control over voids and particles. This saves you additional segmentation work and optimizes the surface for subsequent analyses. Let's take a look at an example, a plastic toy. On the outside, we see a lot of particles. They come from the foam in which the object was mounted for scanning. And when we look inside, we see some pores, both large ones and very small ones. That's all perfectly normal. But to be able to analyze the object accurately later, you want to get rid of both. If you open the new surface determination dialog in advanced mode, you'll see that we've implemented the same cleaning concept that you already know from the clean ROI and split ROI functions. This means that not only can you remove all particles as usual, you can now also define exactly which particle size you want to consider. For example, remove everything smaller than 100 voxels. But it gets even easier. Just decide how many components you want to end up with. For example, if you only scanned one object, just set this to 1 and that's it. We'll do the rest. For voids, it's very similar. Again, you can specify the exact size to be considered. And if you decide to remove all voids, you really will remove all inner voids, all of them, no matter how big they are. This is perfect for any subsequent analysis, such as porosity inclusion analysis, where you don't want to consider voids in the surface. And as you know, metrology also works much better without voids. But because you don't want to miss out on this valuable information, we've added the ability to save all removed voids and create a volume component from them. This means that when you run a wall thickness analysis or a nominal actual comparison, you can now use the component selection to decide whether you want to include the voids or not. And sometimes you just want to take a look at all the voids, even when you've unloaded the volume. No problem. You decide. And with the new advanced surface determination in VGSTUDIO Max 2023.3, you have full control.